with Toby. Look, these are very nice small mirrors. Bought from the Action store. There's another one. I think they are 5 centimeters, but they are very nice. Okay, there's Toby. He's used to sit behind a bicycle, so there's no problem. And I got new tires. I got the Continental Contact Urban, and then e-bike and safety and whatever. So I got 2 new front wheel bikes, tires. Yeah. This is just a dog cart from Trixie. It's a German made and it has this standard connector. So it's the normal connector, and I see that it has moved a little bit. So that's not good. So I have to tighten more. So this is standard. It's just a basket, standard basket, and I hold everything together with inner tires. So this crate is just a standard crate, and this is made out of mesh, and a stick so he can put his feet on, and that's it. Just watch how old these tires are. These are a 35 406 20-inch times 1.35. These are Schwalbe Marathon, and you can see it's called Marathon Schlick. And watch this. See, these are very old. Yeah. It's almost through, only a few strings left, but I replaced them with these one. It's from Bike 24, it's from Germany, and these are the Continental Urban. Here it is. Continental Contact Urban SO or something. It's for electric bikes, Safety Pro. So good enough.